Students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Babbi. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. I believe the online classes are helping you a lot in your study. Today, we are going to enjoy a very important topic of your busiest subject. So, let's get started. Students, here you can see your class name 6 English version, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies. And here you can see my name is Akhtarujaman Bapti, senior teacher, Milestone School and College. And student, here you can see your book, Bangladesh and Global Studies, class 6. And before going to the new topic, I'm going to asking you some questions from your previous lesson, chapter 3. Lesson 1, 2, 3, 7 and 8. The first question here, how many continents are there in this world? Let's see who can say. Okay, very good. Five continents, no. 7 continents, right. There are 7 continents are there in this world. Thank you very much. Now question number 2, what is the total area of the continent of Asia? You have to say. Very good. 4 crore 46 lakh 14,000 square kilometer. Right. Thank you very much. Now question number 3. What is the height of the Mount Everest? Let's see who can say. Very good. 8,850 meter height. Very good. Thank you very much. Now here is a picture. You can see the Mount Everest. It's a very beautiful picture, isn't it? And you can see here lots of people are trying to reach the top of the mountain, isn't it? It's a dangerous journey, you know. And question number 4, you can see what is the percentage of land and water of the total world? Yes, who can say this question answer? Very good. 71% is water and 29% is land area. Yes, this is the correct answer. Now question number 5, let's see. How many oceans are there of the world? What are they? Who can say? Yes, 5 oceans. Thank you very much. 5 oceans. Who can say their name? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, yes, Pacific Ocean, South Ocean, and North Ocean. Yes, thank you. So these are the 5 oceans. Okay, students. Before going to the new topic, you have to say what will be your topics. I am showing you some pictures. Let's see. First picture, you can see this is picture of Bangladesh, right? And Bangladesh is inside Asia. You can see this is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is inside Asia. And I'm showing you the picture. This is Bangladesh, right? This is Bangladesh inside Asia. And this is the world map, right? In this world map, where is Bangladesh? You can show me. Yes, this is the red colored zone. This is Bangladesh, right? So now, who can tell me what will be our topic today? Yes, you know, Bangladesh in the global geographical environment, right? So today I'm going to discuss about chapter 3. Okay, chapter 3 you can see. Today our lesson number will be, look, chapter number 3, lecture number 63, Bangladesh in the global geographical environment, lesson 4, 5 and 6. Topic will be population, economy and religion in Asia, position of Bangladesh in Asia. So I will discuss about it. Okay. Let's see our learning outcomes. After studying the lesson, you will be able to give answer of some MCQ type questions, give answer of some related questions, explain of lesson 4, 5, and 6 of chapter 3. Okay, now some keywords I have given here. First one, underneath. Underneath means situated directly below. You know, our natural gas is under soil or underneath, right? The second number, immerse, become visible. Visible means we can notice, we can see. And three, hemisphere, a half of a sphere. If I say look, and this is a page, this is, I am making it half like this. This part is half. Okay, and you can see territory, an area of land under a state. Okay, and deadlock in which no progress can be made. This is deadlock. And last, flourish, develop rapidly and successfully. Okay, now this is your main book, so I am showing you some part, you have to underline it. It's a very important part. Okay, look, more than 60% people of the world live in the continent of Asia. The total population of the world stood nearly 700 crore. Of the land of this, the population of Asia is only, this is the main part, 442 crore people and 70 lakh. According to the calculation, three-fourths of total population of the world lives in Asia. Okay, and you have to remember this, but only 3% of the area of land captured by Asia. You have to underline main part and you have to read this page also several times. And last, you can underline this. China is the biggest country in Asia. Okay, and the smallest one is the Maldives. So you have to underline. China has the largest population in Asia. 137 crore and 20 lakh people live in China. Large population. Next, come to in the position of the India. India has how many people? 131 crore and 40 lakh people live in India. But the population of the Maldives is only 3 lakh. So this is the main part. You have to underline it and you have to read this page again. Okay. And another page you can see here, our economy. So our main economy depend on our natural resource, our industry, isn't it? So this is the first part, you have to underline it. Look, Asia is an agricultural country. The continent tops the list is paddy production. So in Asia, we tops the list is in paddy production. China is the leading paddy producing country. In the same way, India is the largest jute producing country, while Bangladesh is the second largest producer of jute. So this is the important part, you have to underline it. Okay. And this continent is rich in natural resources, oil, gas, manganese, iron, ore, and coils found underneath ground in this continent. So you have to underline it. Okay. And another important, you can see that you have to underline this part. Okay, students, here you can also underline this part. Most of the petroleum oil, look, oil is extracted from Southeast Asia or Middle East countries like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, United Arab Emirates, and Kuwait. Okay, the whole world depends on petroleum oil of this region. So these countries are in Asia, and Last part you can underline it. Look, in this continent, China, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, Malaysia, and India have made wide progress in field of industry. Okay, and Japan is the third among the industrially developed countries of the world, and Bangladesh has also gone forward in garments industry. So you can underline this important part. Okay, and you have to read the book properly. Now see religions. In Asia, various types of people live. Among them, Hindu, Muslim, Buddha, Christian, and Jewish people are an important religion in this Asia. Okay, and students, we are the Muslim people. We have a pilgrim at Mecca. His name is Kaaba, isn't it? And the holy place of pilgrims of the flowing of the three main religions, Muslim, Christians, and Jews, is situated in Jerusalem. So you can underline this part. It's a very important part. Look, mm, last line you can underline it, and you can underline also from almost to Mecca. Okay, very important part. So you have to read this place again. And student, you can see here lesson 5 and 6, position of Bangladesh in Asia. So I will discuss about it. We know that the upper side of a map is north, the lower side is south, and the right side is east, and the left side is west. Now let us tell a look at the position of Asia in the world map. Look, this is the world map. You can see here. You can see where is Asia. Who can say? Okay, this is Bangladesh. You can see, and this is India. So this is our Asia part, right? This is Asia. Thank you. Now, another map I have given here, the map of Asia. Uh, you can see here where is Bangladesh. Green color part. This is Bangladesh. The Pakistan, you can say Afghanistan. This is China. You can see the Myanmar, Thailand. You can see Bangkok. Okay. Uh, then you can see this is the Bhutan. This is the Nepal. This is Kathmandu, capital of Bhutan. You can see this Sri Lanka. This one is Maldives, small country in Asia. Okay. And also this is Pakistan. I have shown you Iran also in Asia. Okay. Now, students, the another page of your book, and the continent of Asia is situated in the east hemisphere. I already show you what is hemisphere, and to the north of the continent is North Ocean, to the south is the Indian Ocean, to the east is the Pacific Ocean, and to the southwest is the Red Sea and the continents of Africa, and the west is the Mediterranean Sea, and the northwest is the continent of Europe. So you can underline it, okay, up to here. And also you have to underline, it's the last part, is a very important part. Look, the remarkable rivers of Asia, the Yangtze, the Huanghu, the Euphrates, the Tigris, the Ganges, the Padma, the Meghna, Jamuna, okay, the Sindhu and the Brahmaputra. Okay, Yangtze of the China is the longest river of the world. It is 6,300 kilometers long. Okay, so underline it, the important part. And here, the remarkable countries of Asia are, in Asia there are lots of countries, among them China, India, Japan, North Korea, South Korea, Indonesia, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal also in Asia, Japan also, So you have to know some names of Asia. Okay. So last line you have to underline an association for regional cooperation named SARC. You know about SARC and all 8 countries altogether make SARC. You know Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, isn't it? India also. Now let's move another sheet. Geographically, Bangladesh is a country of South Asia. So you know, Bangladesh is a part of South Asia also. Bangladesh is located in the southern part of Asia. So you can underline this part also. Bang from here, from here, from here. Our is a country of river, village and agriculture. So you know Bangladesh has lots of rivers and we depend on agriculture. Bangladesh is enriched by India on nearly three sides. You know, around our country, 3 sides is India. One side is our Bay of Bengal. You know, Cox's Bazar, our sea beach. Okay, and you have to. There are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. You know. And in Bangladesh, there are many rivers, you know, Padma, Meghna, Jamuna, Brahmaputra, Karnafuli, Tista. Huh? They are our main rivers. For this region, our land is so fertile. And here you can see many tourists from home and abroad come to visit here. Where they have come? They have come to visit our Cox's Bazar. Look, our marine import and export are conducted through these 3 ports. Cox's Bazar, the longest sea beach of the world. Okay, what are our 3 seaports? We have developed communication with the overseas country through Chittagong, Mongla, and Paira seaport. So you have to remember 3 seaport, main seaport of Bangladesh. Look, Chittagong, Mongla, and Paira seaport. Okay, and Cox's Bazar sea beach is very famous sea beach in this world. You know, uh, 120-kilometer long sea beach in Cox's Bazar, and you can see the pictures. And this picture maybe is Saint Martin Island. Is the island of Cox's Bazar. It's a very beautiful. Let's enjoy our video. Right, and students, you can see this is Cox's Bazar sea beach. That on Bangladesh has not only the sea but also the Sundarban. You know, Bangladesh also has Sundarban. It's a big Sundarban, the world's largest mangrove forest. You have to underline it. Look. Mangrove forest. The Royal Bengal tiger, the world's most attractive wildlife lives here. You know Royal Bengal tiger. Okay. For animals, habitats and beauty, the Sundarban has been declared at World Heritage. So there will be a question, why Sundarban is called World Heritage? This is the answer, okay? And you know, in our country, we have a beautiful place in Bandarban, Khagrachuri, Rangamati. You know, we have the highest mount peak of Bangladesh. You have to underline this one. Tajingdong. Another name is Bijoy. It is Bandarban district. Its height is very important. 1231 meter. You have to remember it. Okay. We have already come to know that Everest, the highest mountain peak of the world. You know, its height is 8,850 meter. Okay. So you have to read your book properly. Look, here is a beautiful picture, the Royal Bengal tiger, right? This scenery is from Sundarban. You can see it's very beautiful. Another picture. Who can tell me what is this? Yes, this is picture of Sundarban in Bangladesh. You know, there's another picture. Who can tell me? This is another picture of Sundarban, right? It's a very beautiful picture. You can see. Let's enjoy our video. And look, the Sundarbans a World Heritage Site. Almost the whole of the country is a large plain land. There is a little highland as well. The area of Bangladesh is, you have to remember this part. What is the area? What is the area of Bangladesh? You have to underline, this is a very important. 1,47,570 square kilometer, or this is the miles. 56,970 square miles. Okay, so you know there is a difference between kilometers and miles. Okay, according to the land boundary agreement between Bangladesh and India on 31st July 2015, mutual exchange of excessive took place between the two countries. As a result, 1 10,041.25 acres of land has been added to Bangladesh territory. Territory mean area, you have to underline it. Okay. And it's another important things you have to underline it. The last part you can see. Population of country is 14 crore 97 lakh 72,364. Okay. Census 2011. You already uh, have learned from class 5, right? So student, you have to read this page. I am not reading the whole page because of time. Now students, I'm going to discuss about some related questions from this topic. The first question, what is the population of the world now? There are nearly 700 crore people live in this world now, right? Okay, next question. Let's see. From here, we get most of the from where. So here there is a little bit mistake. You have to write here where W will be here. From where we get most of the petroleum oil. Okay. So answer will be most of the petroleum oil we get from Middle East countries like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, United Arab Emirates, and Kuwait, isn't it? Okay, now another question. Look, students, the beautiful scenery of petroleum oil field, isn't it? This is a oil field. Uh, Another picture you can say this one is also oil field. From here, they supply oil. Okay, another question here, question number 3. What are the remarkable rivers of the Asia? Okay, I have given here the remarkable rivers of the Asia are the Yangtze, the Huanghu, the Euphrates, the Tigris, the Ganges, the Padma, the Jamuna, the Sindhu, the Brahmaputra. So these are the important rivers of Asia. You have to remember it. Okay, students. This is a picture about Yangtze River in China. You know, it's a big river in this world. This one also Yangtze, and this is another river. You know, Huanghu River. It's a beautiful river, right? Inside the mountain. The 4 number questions. What are the famous tourist sea beaches of Bangladesh? Who can tell me? Yes. Teknaf, Saint Martin Island, and Kuakata Sea Beach are famous tourist spot of the world of Bangladesh. Okay. Now question number 5. Let's see who can say what is the largest wall mangrove forest of the world. What is the most attractive animals of that forest? Who can say me? Okay. Answer is Sundarban, right? And attractive animal is Royal Bengal tiger. Yes, your answer is correct. So students, you have to learn the related questions I have given. And here is the answer. Already I told you. Now feedback session. The first question here. What are the remarkable rivers of the Asia? Very good. Yangtze, Huanghu, Tigris, Sindhu, Padma, Meghna, Jamuna, Brahmaputra, etc. Isn't it? Now another question. What is the percentage of land and water of the total world? Who can tell me? Yes, 71% is water and 29% is land area in this world. Thank you. Now, question number 3. From where we get most of the petroleum oil? Very good. Yes, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, and Arab Emirates. Thank you. Now, 4 number question. Say some countries name of Asia. Very good. Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal, Maldives, Sri Lanka, then China, isn't it? Afghanistan, okay, Malaysia, Indonesia, huh? Thailand, Japan also with Asia. So you have to remember some names of Asia. And last question here. What is longest river of Asia? Who can tell me? Yes, Yangtze. I have shown you the picture of Yangtze, right? Okay. Students, your feedback session is over. Now, this is time for homework. Chapter 3, learn lesson 4, 5, and 6. I have given some related questions. I have taken feedbacks and I have shown you your main book, but it is not possible to read your main book thoroughly in this class. So you have to read your main book properly, and I have shown you some important parts of your book. So you have to read the books and you have to learn the related questions I have given. Okay, students. Now, thanks for watching my class.